15. Start here is right 6 plus 200.
Yep, flat. Flat, flat, flat.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Right 6 plus 200. Right 5 plus loose and long, 50. Then left 5 plus very long. Opens very long. Then tightens to 6. Double caution 120, right 3. There's your double caution 120, right 3. 50. Left 6 long. Into bridge 200. Flat right 5 plus long 150. Long small crest 200. Then left 5 70. And left 5 minus tightens. Left 5 minus tightens now 70. Then left 4 half long tightens. Into right 4 plus 100. Then right 6 70. Right 6 plus long 180. Left 6 loose very long 250. Then turn left 2 at sign 120. Right 3 plus. This is a right 3 plus into crest 150. Then small crest 40, care, right 4 minus off camber, into left 3 plus long, 100. Then right 6, 100. And small crest 100, then double caution, left 5 plus over small crest, tightens to 4. Then right 6 opens very long, 100. And small crest into right 5, 50. Then stay left over small crest 100. And right 6 plus short 30, and small crest 70, and small crest 150, then small crest 30, right 5 plus over crest, over another crest 100, then right 6 plus over water, 100, wipers, turn left 3 minus, turn right 3 minus, 30.
I think I might have sucked some water in.
Stay left over crest here, 180. Care, left 4 plus, over small crest, off camber, 70.
Left 4 plus?
Correct, off camber, 70. Right 5 minus, 180. Then double caution, left 4 plus, over kick, tightens off camber, 50. Right 5 over crest, 30. And right 4 plus short over crest into left 4 loose, 150. Then long crest 30. Left 6 into right 5 short over small crest. Into left 6 plus. Into small crest 300. Flat to finish here. Then you have 200 to crest, left 4 plus. Good job, buddy.
Thank you.